In this video, how to enable secure boot on ASRock motherboards. For example, without secure boot enabled, you are unable to play Battlefield 6. The same applies when playing Valorant. Furthermore, secure boot is a prerequisite for launching the FACEIT client. To check whether secure boot is currently enabled, search for MS-Info32 and launch the System Information application. As you can see, secure boot is turned off. First, restart your computer, then press Delete key or F2 key when the system boots up to enter BIOS setup. In the BIOS setup page, navigate to the boot option. Go to the CSM option and disable it if it is enabled. Once the CSM is disabled, you need to go to the Exit menu to save the change, then restart the computer. Press the key to access the BIOS again. Now, go to the Security menu. Select the Secure Boot option. Then enable it. If you get this warning, you need to enroll the platform key before enabling the secure boot. Click on Install Default Secure Boot Keys. Click Yes to proceed. Now, you can enable the secure boot without any issue. Save the changes, then restart the computer. You may also access the BIOS setup once more to confirm that secure boot has been successfully enabled. On Windows, you can check if secure boot is enabled. The first way, you can check it using the System Information app. The value displayed will indicate on if secure boot is enabled, off if it is disabled, and unsupported if it is not compatible with your hardware. The second way, you can check it from the Windows settings. Select Privacy and Security. Windows Security. Device Security. As you can see, the secure boot is on. And the last way, you can also query the secure boot status from PowerShell. You'll see true if secure boot is enabled, false if secure boot is disabled, and this if it is not compatible with your hardware. Finally, on the computer, the game should be playable without any issues or disruptions. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.